Hi, as per most of our people's request, we are here to produce this video. You might wonder what is this video is about. Most people ask me questions. How do you have this beard? How do you maintain it? How do you grow it? Can you give us some tips and tricks for us to have stylish beard like you? Okay, let me give some tips. First of all, if you want to grow your beard lengthy enough, you have to take time, like a couple of months. You have to grow it, then you have to trim it sequentially such that it grows perfectly. The first step to start with is like wherever you have empty patches in your skin, like these places, you can go for reverse shaving, and then it will improve over time. Then if you want to have a lengthy beard, you have to chop off the edges such that it will have perfect growth or enhanced growth. Now coming to this styling, how to trim it. You don't need sophisticated equipments to trim your beard in a particular shape. Simply you can use your hands or fingers such that it will be easy for you. For example, you have to have this particular cut. It's very simple. Simply you can take your fingers and then you can shave like this. It's very easy. Similarly, you can do each and every shape by yourself. So once you have a particular shape set in, and then you want to make it look perfect, you have to follow certain daily routines such that it will have an impact on your tone of the hair. So twice you have to wash your beard with good soap or face wash or specially designed beard soaps. So once you wash it, then you have to pat it dry. Once it is dry, you can use a hair heating device or dryer or a straightener, such that you can use that for conditioning, and you can make your hair as you want. Once that is done, then you have to apply some of the oils. If you have basic coconut oil, I think it will be helpful. You can take a couple of drops and then you can spread it over your palms and then you can apply it. Or there are special beard oils available that can give you a glossy look, and you can use that. This you can do it in morning, such that these oils which you apply can prevent deposition of dirt. Why it can prevent this? Your beard is almost looking like a porous medium with a lot of porosity. You might see some gaps where this dust can accumulate. Most of the times what we think is like what is there in beard, or how does dust accumulate. Okay, for example, you take a ceramic plate, you immerse it in some sand and take it out. Only you have some fine dust particles. If you just tap it, it will wither off. But if you take a sponge and if you immerse it in sand, and if you take it out, there are more chances of particles getting clogged into that pores. Similarly, your beard has a lot of pores, or the hairs has that kind of porosity which can accumulate a lot of dust. So washing your beard twice is most advisable, such that you can have your beard clean and healthy, dirt free. Then once you go for your work or so, you can come back in the evening again, you can have your wash and then dry it again. If your hair is dry, you can use moisturizing creams, and then you can make it feel fluffy, healthy, silky, and so on. So this is during the weekday. If you want to maintain during your weekends, you can go a bit step extra, like after washing, dry it, and then you can go for say moisturizer during the daytime, and then you can have again face wash during say nights before your sleep, and then you can apply growth oils which are specially designed for enhancing the beard growth, so you can go for that. And once it is applied, you can have a good rest. Morning again you can have a good face wash, and then your beard looks so nice. So whenever you want to have say styling, you don't need combs or something like that. See, for example, you just do something, you have some random shape, okay, just scratch it twice, and then if you shape it by yourself, I think it can come to shape. This is the simplest step using your hands. You have to just you have to do multiple times such that this beard say is always oriented in the same direction. It's not a difficult task. Whenever you feel that you have gone through a wind and you feel that it is disturbed, you can just make it set right just by wiping out with the hand for 2 or 3 times, and just look at the mirror and you can check it by yourself. And once everything is ready and perfect, I think you have to maintain it every fortnight or month by checking its length if you want to have a particular size or a particular look. Or if you want to go further and further, you can go for say trimming at the edges, or you can have a trimmer with some say comb of size 9 mm or 12 mm or something similar, and you can fix with a particular size, and every fortnight you can go for that trimming. And apart from this, I think once you take care of beard, I think you have to take care of your skin too. Once this beard things are done, you can wipe out with a alcohol based wipe or a cleaning wipe, wet wipes especially. Your skin will be very clear and you will look perfectly contrast. And whenever you have to have a photographic session, I think that say photograph will look pretty awesome because of your healthy routine of maintaining your beard and face. I think hope this information will help you in maintaining your beard by yourself. If you have still further more questions, you can go for comments or messages. I will be able to answer you. Tata.